Flat track racing indoor on the concrete, Maryland State Fairgrounds. Yeah, these guys are crazy. Fun to watch, but it almost hurts just watching it because you wipe out, you're on concrete. But it's kind of like the ice racing, I guess. They do this on ice too. These guys have carpet on they put carpet on their left foot so that it slides easier around the turns. Few wrecks, but I didn't see anything major that happened over the time we were there on Saturday. Even a couple of little kids out there riding. These guys weren't very old. I don't know exactly, but 4 or 5 years old. And there was a bike show in the same building, so there was some very nice builds, some interesting builds, some cool stuff to look at.